Today I'm going to show you how I made this flower vase cover or flower pot cover. I made these crochet flowers, but I don't have a vase. So what I did, I used empty bottle which I bought from supermarket for like pasta sauce or olive bottles, and made it clear. And I used some used leftover t-shirt yarns. So all you need an empty bottle, some leftover t-shirt yarn. You can even use this cover to put pencil, use as a pencil holder. I'm going to make a magic ring. I'm going to do one chain, and I'm going to do 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch. So this is the first chain. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first chain. One chain. Okay, I'm going to do 2 single crochet in each chain, so the circle will be bigger. 1, 2, so it will be 12 chains. So 2 single crochet in each chain. Put a stitch marker where we start the first chain, so you won't forget where you will slip stitch for the next round. Okay, now we will continue 2 single crochet in the 1 chain. Okay, now this is the first chain for the single crochet, so we are not going to slip stitch here, so we will slip stitch in the very first chain, that where we put the stitch marker. That's why if you put a stitch marker, you know where exactly you need to do the single crochet. So chain 1. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make another circle for this back of this bottle. Because it's still small, I might need to do one more round. So how I'm going to do 1 single crochet in the first chain put the stitch marker so you know for the next round where you need to slip stitch, and 2 single crochet in the next chain. 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in the same chain. Then 1 single crochet in the next chain and 2 single crochet in the same chain, and 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in the same chain. This is perfect, so I'm going to slip stitch now. Slip stitch, chain 1. Now we are going to do the single crochet from the back of the chain, back loop of the chain. So 1 single crochet from the back loop. Let's put the stitch marker back again. Back loop, single crochet in the back loop. Turn this around the other way. Strike the bottle again, nicely going in. Okay. Now I'm going to do okay, now we are going to do a single crochet, but not here. We are going to do the single crochet below these 2 legs. So pull out the yarn, single crochet, and the second single crochet is in the loop, single crochet, and the next single crochet is going to be not this chain, the below after and the below these 2 legs. Pull through the yarn from below the legs and a single crochet, and a single crochet in the next chain single crochet is going to be not the next chain, the below after the legs. So this is the hole we are going to pull through and a single crochet. So continue the pattern, not here, below. Going to do the slip stitch for the next round. Chain 1. Now we are going to do the single crochet, not this chain, it's going to be, this is the first chain, so the chain below after the 2 legs. Let's put the stitch marker up so you won't forget for your next line, and single crochet in the next chain, and a single crochet in the next chain below these 2 legs. Okay, so then we are going to do the slip stitch and continue this until we reach the height. I'm going to try and see whether the bottle fits. For me it's perfect, so I'm going to do up to here, the same, continue the same pattern up to here, and I'll meet you at this point. Go ahead and try and see if you can make the same, and I'll meet you at this point. Okay, now I finished. I can show you. So I did my single crochet the pattern up to here now, up to the neck. Now I'm going to stop doing the single crochet. Now I'm going to do half double crochet in the first chain, 1 half double crochet, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 2 half double crochet in the second chain. It's a 2 half double crochet in the second chain, and 1 half double crochet in the chain after, and the 2 half double crochet in the chain after. So I'm going to continue this pattern, 1 half double crochet, and 2 half double crochet until the end. The stitch markers over, don't forget this stitching.